snowed a little bit, but like not this heavy. Sad thing is it's all gonna be gone by the time I get off work this afternoon. So just kind of wanted to let you guys come along with my morning commute to work. Woo! It's a little slippery. We're having some fun. God dang. Look over there. It's snowing so heavy you can't even see through that field. Barely see the car's headlights coming down the road. Man, I love winter time. I don't like the cold, but I really love the snow. It's so freaking awesome. Absolutely love the snow. Hey, no joke, you guys. I'm serious. This is Kansas, and this thick snow will be gone by the time I get off work today. I mean, watch. I'll show you guys. We'll actually start this video once I get off work, and I'll show you that this snow is going to be gone. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a video. Now, before I turn this camera around and show you guys what the weather's like out there, I just want to say I was a little bit wrong, but that's only because the weatherman was wrong. Also, I did get off work a little early today. So, as you can see, there's still snow on the ground. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is still snowing a little bit. It was supposed to stop snowing about an hour ago and turn over to rain, but it's still kind of snowing. Rain isn't coming yet, but that's okay. I like the snow. And since it's still snowing, I figure why not go ahead, take the truck out, see if we can't find a couple parking lots that haven't been driven through yet, that have some nice fresh snow. See if maybe we can't get us a couple of good Instagram pictures. Who knows, maybe we'll do some donuts, things like that. I don't know. Let's just go have some fun. Now, before we get in the truck and go running around playing in the snow, I just want to say, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, or if you haven't watched any of the recent videos, the truck's pretty loud, and it's really loud inside the cab. But that's only for a temporary time, so hopefully it's not so loud that you guys won't be able to hear me on camera. Now, the reason it's so loud right now is because I took this muffler off, which is right underneath the back seat, basically. I did that about a week ago. And then just yesterday I went and bought these exhaust pipes to put in the place of the muffler. But first I've got to cut these off, all 4 of them, and weld them on the ends of those pipes once I chop those to the right length. And then hopefully it won't be so loud inside the cab. And then a little bit later down the road, the plan is to take these exhaust tips and have them coming out right in the center underneath the back bumper, kind of like Corvettes do. Because as most of you probably know, right now my exhaust, both of them exit out behind the back passenger tire. So here in the near future, we're hoping to get that swung around. Let's go ahead and jump in this truck and go have a little fun. Sounds nasty. So like I was saying, I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but it's pretty loud in here. It has a really deep drone because of where the exhaust is stopped at right now, but like I was showing you, we're gonna fix that pretty soon. So you see the road's really clear now. Obviously this morning it wasn't like this. We're gonna get out outside of town, and I got a couple spots in mind. We'll go see if we can't find a place to have a little bit of fun. So, driving through a pretty decent neighborhood right now, headed out to our spot, and to be honest, it's not really like a nice neighborhood for the town I live in, but it's pretty decent, and I like to drive through these types of neighborhoods every now and then just to give myself a constant reminder of my goal that I'm trying to achieve in life. It's never a bad thing to just give yourself a little reminder of what first metallic Chevy Silverado, but it wasn't a 2-wheel drive SS. It was a Z71. I love that truck to death, but it was costing me a lot of money in payments because when I got the truck, I had negative equity. It is what it is. So long story short, I'm so happy to be back in a Chevy Silverado, but I will get another Mustang someday. It will happen. Man, it's not really looking too promising. I think I have a feeling the snow's gonna be all, oh, well, it's pretty much melted. Maybe we can get the truck over there in some snow, some fresh snow, and get a good picture. See what we can do here. Huh. Oh, I mean, it's probably a good ½ inch. Nice little puddle of water and slush. Woo, I think we got us a good spot. Oh yeah, that looks really cool. Let's go ahead and take some pictures of this. I know guys, we're using a dang Samsung S8, but that's what we're doing. Let's go ahead up here and get a closer shot. Oh, there we go. That's the angle. There. Woo! Man, look how deep that is. And we got some nice backdrop here, guys. Well, that's it for this spot. On to the next one. See if we can do a little pull, maybe. Woo! Man, I love driving a Cam's truck. I tell you what, it just gets after it. This is kind of like a little park the city's been putting together for a while now. It's really nice. You can come out here and drive around. The park's actually like back behind us back there, but we're gonna drive down here to the pond. There's a pond back here. We're gonna go down here and see if we can't find something cool to park the truck in front of and get a nice picture. I'd like to get that pond in the background, but it's kind of hard to do that. There's not really a place to pull your vehicle down close to the water. It's all grass and you kind of have to stay up here. I brought the Mustang out here and took a picture of it sitting right here one time. Let's see how that looks. Well, I mean, maybe if I got a shot way up high. I don't really like that sign being right there. I don't know. Might snap a couple pictures right there, see what I can come up with. Better get out the road, somebody's coming. Yeah, I don't know guys. I'm really not feeling this spot right here. I think we'll just go find something different. Oh yeah, you know we're about to stop underneath this bridge. Well guys, wasn't able to find an open parking lot to play around in, but I did find something pretty cool that we got to get a picture of with the truck in front of. Check this out. Is that freaking awesome or what? I mean, it's crazy this is done with spray paint. I can't believe the artistic abilities in some people is just absolutely amazing. You get up close and you can tell that it's spray paint. It's something like this is just really awesome. So I'm gonna see if I can't snap a few pictures of the truck in front of this wall, and then we'll get out of here. Man, the weatherman was definitely wrong. The snowflakes are coming down way thicker now. I'm loving it, guys. Here we are. Big end. So I had to come back home, guys, because for one, my girlfriend's about to get off work. We got to go pick up our kids, And I also have this beautiful dog right here that I gotta take care of. Yeah. Oh, hey bear. Say hi to the camera, buddy. Say hi to all the subscribers. But yeah, had to come back home, get him some food and water, and of course play with him because he loves the snow. Where's your ball? Where's your ball, buddy? Let's get your ball. There we go. Yeah, you want this? Huh? Get it, buddy. I know that was a terrible throw, wasn't it? Oh, you almost lost it in the snow. Bring it back. Bring it here. Oh, you don't want to bring it to me? You don't want to bring it to me? I'll chase you. Get back here. Come here. Oh, you dropped it. It's mine now. Aha! Oh, oh. Get it, bear. Good boy. Guys gotta have a best friend dog, right? Hey buddy, come here. Come here, you. Come here. Oh, I love this dog. Hey bud. Say hi. Good boy. Yes. Oh, Bear's such a good boy. Let me scratch your belly. Yeah. Good boy, Bear. Your ball. It's underneath you. I got it again. Woo! Yeah, boy. So that's gonna wrap things up for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed today's content, smash that like button, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. And just like that, we'll catch you guys in the next one.